Hey, you. Yeah, you. Come here. Let me tell you something. Let me holler at you. 91% of you all watching my videos aren't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button and like this video to get immense lump sums of generational wealth transferred to your family's royal estate. For those who think paying is the same as belonging, are you really a citizen of your state? That's the only question in question here. In Belmont versus town of Gulfport, the court drew a hard line. Paying taxes doesn't make you a de jure state citizen. Citizenship is a matter of law, not contribution. Yeah, you file tax returns, you pay your taxes, you follow every rule and assume that makes you a citizen of your state. But the law says, not necessarily. In Belmont versus the town of Gulfport, the court held that taxpayers, by the act of payment, do not automatically acquire legal citizenship. This isn't cynicism, it's classification. Standing, rights, recognition flow from status, not service. Because under the law, belonging isn't proven by contribution, it's proven by capacity. The court in Belmont didn't scold taxpayers. It clarified order. Money may fund the state, okay, but it doesn't define the citizen. A taxpayer performs an obligation. A citizen holds a relation. One is economic, the other political. You can be faithful in duty yet still unrecognized in standing because the two operate on different planes of law. That's why courts dismiss suits brought in the wrong capacity, not out of spite, but out of jurisdiction. They cannot confer rights upon a title you haven't lawfully claimed. I'm supposed... No. That's not what they do. That's not what we do. Because you would just mess over it. It's kind of like expecting God to give you $100 million, but you ain't prepared to acquire your $100 million. If I give it to you, you're just going to squander it. It's the same thing. And here's where, and I digress, but here's where equity steps in. While law measures contribution, equity measures character. It asks not how much did you pay, but in what capacity did you stand? Because equity knows that performance without recognition is servitude. Equity would not come to the aid of a volunteer. That is a principle. AKA, it's facts. You volunteered, hey, you volunteered. But, so, because equity knows that performance without recognition is servitude, and recognition without conscience is tyranny. So let it be known, paying the state does not make you sovereign within it. Your tax receipts is not your charter. Your citizenship, if it is to be recognized, must be established through status, not expenditure. For heirs and beneficiaries studying equity, Belmont is a reminder. Don't confuse participation with possession. The real question isn't, am I paying my dues? It's, in what jurisdiction do I truly belong? Because beyond both taxpayer and citizen lies the third position, the beneficiary, operating within the exclusive jurisdiction of equity where recognition comes not from contribution, but from standing in trust. There, your worth isn't counted in coins, but in conscience. And when you know the difference between the two realms, fiscal law and equitable right, you stop paying merely to belong and you start governing because you already do. See you soon.